Welcome to Stillwater. We're an active adult golf course community here in St. Johns County, and today we're going to be looking at one of our villas. This is the Topaz. It's our largest villa that we built here. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with a study, and it's just under 1,900 square feet. Let's go take a look. So one of the great features of the Topaz floor plan is this open concept floor plan where you have a spacious kitchen with plenty of countertop spacing as well as cabinets for all your cooking needs. We are a natural gas community here, and it opens up into the living room with plenty of space out to your screened-in lanai. The Topaz owner suite bathroom features an oversized shower, plenty of space for 2 to get ready at once, as well as a large walk-in closet. So come to Stillwater to check out the Topaz model and see if it's the right fit for you.